Give me a bomb, you got it. But it's one for one, it's not. Yeah. We can do this. Oh, the pressure's really. Use your fancy tricks under the fence as well. Yeah. 2-1. Yeah. Well, 2-1-2. Straight after. That's your only counter. Time. Going on. Just by settling the guard, like lightning. Yeah. Like. Hey. Time. So last round, that's a moment, right, where we're frustrated. Set like that, which then so tiny, so tight. There's moments. That's it. See that? That's much better. Wow, the give in the, you know. You just keep showing at someone you're missing, huh? Good, Jeff. That's it, go. Give me a bomb, you got it. Good, mate. They all get rounds coming straight at you all the time. I remember when it's like this, it's just relentless. You know,